This sounds like it's dying, and that barrier's banging. Right, it's just turned 11:06, and this is for the 11:06 service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross.
Just got pretty busy. Our friction just stood sits all back now, so it's still at least over this way.
Here we go. $375,820. $375,607. To London Charing Cross. There we go. Now we have misuse.
It'll take 2 hours. That's the catch. The next train's in 3 minutes. For a bit. I don't. I was only up here to get the test train design proof working today and away tomorrow. Got no other purpose up here.
Right, the time is 11:17. This is for the 11:19 service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate.
I'm just switching. I get all my bank on it. Hey, send up. Hang on. I mean, not really. Away in a manger, no big Mac for you. It's July, but I don't care. I'm getting fucking Christmas ads on TikTok already.
To be fair, Card Factory will probably be having their Christmas card in next week. I said the Card Factory will probably be having their Christmas cards in next week.
Yeah, probably. Plus, that was close to that many vandalised it because it takes the team down. You can get it, so. Right. Won't back anytime soon. Because Scanner only sent out a guy in a small van. Then he sent out a big boy. Wait, who's L5 was on 43s to Scotland's St Germans Church via Sudbury. The Carlton Centre. I've seen next look at vandalism because the barrier...
375628. No proper on it. Three, 7, 5, 6 to 8 and 818 to Ramsgate. And up they go. Jesus. Oh, that's why. I think when the rail come to do the crossing flooring for this crossing, they need to do the barriers as well. Right, 11:21. This is for the 11:21 service from Margate to St Pancras.
What on fuck's name you sent me there?
The bottom of this barrier is falling apart.
You mean get your bits? They should be staying away.
Can he even see his?
No. Wouldn't you? It's not very 902. Why is the road moving to the bottom end of the skirting? Legs. Who says? Oh. Well, they don't operate it. EMR, Northern Trade Service, to someone donate a new brake, which this twat needs it.
The other one over there.
The EMR service to Leeds via Sheffield, Richard, apparently.
Nah.
Now, what's that run by? I think that's 43.
No, it's run by the class 08 from Etches Park.
Probably.
Now 5010 Duncan Goodoo to St Pancras. Well, after that, stop banging about across the road. Ugh.
Across the road.
I've got to go and get a double-decker bus.
37. That's been moved to 11:19. Meter train. When we used to have them at 10 past the hour, and then around quarter past. The road going to be around quarter past.
Right,
past
it's
now.
11:32 for the 11:34 from St Pancras to Margate.
Consistent per hour.
Yeah, the 08 here is like,
Just like 0803 again.
yeah. And then what?
Excuse me? So we get a crew train that sits in for 15 minutes. Not a lot of platforms even.
Oh. 16. Reno 5016 to Margate. And right, that's it for Canterbury St Dunstans. We'll see you next time with buses.